Hi, I'm Devin Schutz, and welcome to the Money Minute Budget Special. So last week, our Finance Minister Enoch Godongwana tabled the budget, and it was delivered during a very challenging time for our country economically. But I would say that the Minister managed to put together a pretty sensible budget. Now, government has a lot of spending demands, and coupled with our current energy crisis, this was no small feat. So I thought today I'd give you 5 key takeaways from the budget and what I think is most important. So firstly, there were no increases in taxes, and this was really a welcome decision given how stretched the taxpayers are already. Secondly, he confirmed the expected move that government is going to take over 254 billion rand of Eskom debt. Now, while this is painful, it will put Eskom in a better position to focus on investing directly in power generation. In addition, it comes with Treasury oversight on how this money is going to be spent, which is a good thing. Thirdly, they've put incentives to invest in renewable energy. Now, while relief to households is limited to 15,000 Rand, for companies it is much more attractive. And I think this announcement does show our government's intent to start addressing the energy crisis. Fourth, he resisted temptation to pander to populist policies. With an election coming up next year, there was no giving in to pressure for spending on things like large public service wage increases, a permanent basic income grant, a wealth tax, or even NHI. And fifthly, there was a focus on fiscal discipline, and this is crucial. Now, this was achieved through careful spending and additional revenue that came through from companies and SARS efficiencies. So overall, given the economic backdrop, the Finance Minister gave a budget that was much better than many expected and was well received by markets because there were no negative surprises. However, without economic growth going forward, we're unlikely to see any material improvements in our current situation. Thanks as always for watching. Have a good week.